I'm Guillaume Marquis-Gravel, cardiologist and researcher at the Montreal Heart Institute. Participating in a clinical study is an important decision that can have an impact on your health. It's important to fully understand your involvement before agreeing. This is what we refer to as informed consent. If you're offered to participate in a clinical study, the research team will give you an information and consent form which contains the details of the clinical study. The research team will review the document with you and you'll be able to read it again at home. Take all the time you need to think about it and discuss it with your family members if necessary. This form may contain technical words that you don't understand. The research team is here to answer all your questions. The information and consent form includes a description of the clinical study, its purpose, the medical procedures, the schedule of treatment and tests, the risks, the benefits, and alternative treatments available to you. It also contains information on your rights and the measures to maintain confidentiality of your data. When you agree to participate in a study, you sign a consent form. Thus, you confirm that you have understood the information and you agree to follow the study procedures to the best of your ability. You'll receive a copy of the signed form and you can consult it through the study. Your participation in a clinical study is voluntary. You can refuse to participate. You can also withdraw from a study at any time without giving a reason. Your decision not to participate or to withdraw from a clinical study will have no impact on the quality of your care. If new information about a clinical study becomes available, the research team has an obligation to share it with you and to confirm that you still consent to participate in the study. In conclusion, remember to ask all the questions that come to mind to fully understand the study before giving your consent.